Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. Today we're going to continue on our process of making money with the Home Business Academy $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Woo. That's a mouthful there. But anyway, let's continue on here. So this is it right here, and this is the best affiliate marketing program I ever found. The products are you get 80% recurring commission. So the product, you make $20 off of one product, it costs $25. That's the whole thing, right? There's different recurring commissions as well, which you pay $124 and you get $100 off of that, and you make $100 off of that every person. So you only need 2 people in the system for you guys. You guys only need 2 people to be profitable. Just that quick, because it's 80% recurring commissions. Just that quick, right? Which is amazing. And you add that together, that's you making $240 every month with just 2 people. Now you pay half of that, to have this system, but see how easy it is? That's only 2 people. I never found anything better than this when it comes to an affiliate program. 80% recurring commissions is almost impossible to find. The highest you're gonna find is maybe around 30%. Maybe around 30. The highest I've seen is about 30, 35, somewhere around there. Recurring, when it comes to recurring. All right, so let's keep it moving. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna log into our My Lead Gen secret. Now, yesterday, I showed you guys how easy it is to write an email. Very easy to write an email. Got a lot of clicks. So anyway, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the mailing system here, and this time what we're gonna do, we're gonna take an email from the system here. I'm gonna use an email from the system here. I'm gonna copy this, fail to win. So let me see if I sent it already. Oh, I sent it already. For the most part, failed to win. Type in failed to win. Question mark, then put like. All. Uh-oh guys, I hit the wrong button there. Sorry about that. All in. Ain't hard to see. I record these videos at like 4 o'clock in the morning so I can get them out on the same day. Alright, so yeah, that's good. I like that. So this is the email you get, right? We're gonna change. Wait, what do I got that? I don't made a page for this here, so we're gonna use that link instead. It's not a big deal. It's just I wanted the link to look a little cleaner. You see how clean that link looks? The income speech sales. It's sent to the same place. It's just a cleaner looking link. And that's about it, guys. Simple as that. And we just copy paste to do this. Make sure you click on perfect timing, right? Perfect timing does, as I say every time, what it does is sends the email around the time people used to get their emails. So for example, check your mail at around 10 o'clock in the morning, the email will pop into the your inbox around 10 o'clock in the morning. So it'll be like one of the first emails you see. All right, so get that there. Then we send the email. Very good chance. Get some clicks, get some sales here. Very good email. All right, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna hit go to the account. Since we got multiple accounts here, guys, we're gonna make a multiple tab here. Just make another tab here. What we do on this one, you log out on this, right? and then we log back in on our next account we're gonna use. We're gonna use this one. Come in, boom, copy paste. No, Control A D over here on Control V. That's a fast, real quick way to do it. You ain't gotta really worry about that. Like I stated before, guys, you come here, you just hit this Control A D, then you just hit Control V. Boom, done. That's all you gotta do. My name, bite. I'm sorry about that. Anyway, we send that and it's done. Oh, let's make sure the link works. I forgot to check that. I'm pretty sure the link works. That's why I ain't checked, but I haven't checked yet, so it works. Had to make sure the link works, guys. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the next account here. We have 3 accounts. So I did you affiliate. And these accounts, they slowly building up with leads. These leads are getting it's getting a lot. My smallest account got 14,000 leads on it. Pretty cool. And there's so many ways to make money off of these leads. People who had these accounts for like about 2 years going, they make money like that. They get multiple sales every time they send an email. This is scalable. Like my lead gen secrets is very scalable. Anyway, keep it going here. So even if you're not getting sales right away, you'll eventually get to that point where it'll be so easy. You'll be like, wow, I was struggling so much before. But anyway, you just copy paste into the next account as well. And you send it off just like that. And we are already done with today, guys. This is how easy this is. This took me 7 minutes to do. And I'm talking to you guys through it, the whole thing. I probably can get it done in less than 5 minutes if I'm doing it on my own. And yeah, man, I'm gonna keep posting and stuff like that. I'm thinking about changing the name of my channel from iDigi Affiliate to maybe Income Speaks. I kind of like how that sounds a little bit better, so I might change that. So if I do, I'm letting you guys know now. Nothing's gonna change. I'm gonna do the same thing. I just like how Income Speaks rolls off the tongue a little bit more. So I'm thinking about like maybe making a logo real quick, making the Income Speaks, making it look a little more. Try to make it look a little better. But yeah, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Be sure to hit that notification bell and get every video that I put out. I'm showing you guys how to make money, how to build recurring commissions here. And this is the best program I found. Go back to it real quick. Best program I found. You get, if one person buys, because there's incentive to buy the commissions, because here's the thing, the incentive to buy the program is commissions. So for example, if you do not have the $100 month, the $120 program here, you do not get the $100 monthly commissions. That's a very strong incentive to have it. So more than likely, people who sign up under you are gonna get both of them, so they can make money. So that's the whole reason you're making this program in the first place. So very easy to do. And it's so much. And here's the thing about this program, that a lot of these programs don't work. This is actual stuff you buying. Like say the $25 online digital business, you're buying a funnel builder, and it's very clean and easy to use. Very clean and easy to use funnel builder. With the $100 monthly commissions, you're buying extensive training, and this training has a bunch of different people depending on what the training is about. Facebook ads, all that type of training is in the 100% monthly commissions, and they constantly add more and more stuff. There's questions, there's webinars, there's a ton of stuff that you get for that $100 monthly commissions. Trust me. And The reason, and it's constantly added on every single week. I think they keep constantly adding stuff, updating stuff, depending on what's going on with the particular traffic. So yeah, it's very much worth buying. So even if you didn't want the recurring commissions, you want all that training. You'll want all that training. All that training will make that money back immediately. You only need 2 people in the system. Remember that. And I'll see you guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure to hit that notification bell. It's so important. So important. YouTube want different steps. You guys will not see my stuff if you don't hit the notification bell. And make sure to comment. Let me know what all you guys want to see about and stuff. This is the best program I've seen. I haven't seen anything better than this, to be honest with you. I want you guys to take this chance and opportunity while it's here. It may change in the future. They might change their minds with the recurring commissions and stuff. But the thing is, if you sign in while it's like this, even if they change their minds and make it come from 80 maybe to 70% in the future, if they wanted to do that, I doubt they'll do it. I'm just saying, if they do it, you'll still get the 80% commissions if you sign in now. You got to get in there early, and you get paid every week. Make sure, this is so important, you get paid every single week. So these things add up, and it's just the best system. It's the best affiliate system I found, period. All right, guys, and that's about it, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.